Cactus episode 7. Today we're going to try a bunch of different tricks outside. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video because we are going to be announcing a giveaway and how to enter to win. So we're going to start by making some bubbles. So all you're going to need is a spoon, a straw or a bubble wand, corn syrup, a measuring cup, bowl, 3 cups of distilled water. You need dish soap, a half a cup of dish soap. So you're going to start by adding 3 cups of water. Then you're going to add a half a cup of dish soap. Now you're going to stir slowly so it doesn't make too many bubbles. Now that it's all combined, we're going to add 1/8 cup of corn syrup. Then we're going to stir until it's totally combined. You can also use glycerin if you want to. You can let it sit overnight if you want more bubbles. We're going to try it right now. If you blow slower, it'll make bigger bubbles, like this. Now we're going outside to test them to see if they freeze. So now that we have our bubbles, we heated them up a little bit so it'd be easier to freeze them. So what you're going to do is you're going to blow them slowly so it makes bigger bubbles. Bonus trick now. We have some boiling water right here. So all you're going to need is some water, some boiling water in a cup. What you're going to do is you're just going to throw it and watch it freeze. Ready? Set. Flung on me. One more time. Don't forget it has to be really close. Okay? It's about -3 for it to freeze. Ready? Set. To enter the win this giveaway is you're going to have to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notifications, give this video a thumbs up, comment below what kind of Play-Doh you would like me to make out of the ones I've made for or ones that you want me to make. Thank you. Then I will select the winner at random in a week. Thank you for watching Curious Cactus episode 7.